Another video. Today we are playing Driving Simulator 2017. I think it's 2017. We are trying to. We are in Havana, I believe so. Yeah, we are trying to win without breaking the law, basically. Ah, dang it! I speed a lot. I'm sorry. I excessively speed a lot in this car because this car is fast. I choose semi-manual or semi-auto because it's better for me to shift. In regular auto, it's easy, but I don't think I'm going that fast. I need to go above 3,000 RPMs to go fast for me. Oh, light green. So we turn right now, apparently. And I just use sport mode. Sport mode's at the top left of the screen. Then we just floor it to 6,000 RPMs. And me losing points because I'm only supposed to go 40 miles an hour. Oh, there we go. Surprisingly, the first one done. Didn't expect that it was gonna go easily. Oh, let's wait for next one in progress. Headlights on, because if you don't have headlights on, you're going to lose regardless. Okay. I'm guessing the speed limit's like 30, 35. I think me guessing is like 30. Oh, dang, I did. What are you talking? Okay. 35. Yeah, 35. Clearly that red sign said 50. I meant 30 miles an hour. That's kilometers. See how it says 70? That says 45 kilometers. And that's basically 45 miles an hour in kilometers. If that didn't abbreviate. Text me to go over 5,000 RPMs. Shift. 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 So it's easy if you're just doing it correctly, but I drive like a maniac, so in these games I drive like a maniac. I don't know, but real life. I feel like real life could do like way much better. But if you haven't heard this game before, this game is a really good expedition for you to drive amazingly. There's a newer version out of this game. It's the 2021, I believe so. That's what it's called. The 2020 version of this game, I believe so. But now you're done. I don't know why I screamed in the mic there. That was just kind of aggressive. Next one, we have. If you see at the bottom center, do you see a mark where it says XP? That's how much I earn, and the one below it, that's basically how many times I failed, or how many times I failed to do something. So if I go over the speed limit, it tells me. If I go over the RPMs and go over speed limit, that will count. So I'm trying to keep it under 2,000, or under 3,500. I can go over 3,000, but not 3.5. If that makes sense. It's at 450. I want it to be like, my goal is 1,500. I'm not making no assumptions. I'm just guessing. Try not to go 3,500. Now I'm about to just lose. Well, I clicked the brake instead of the gas. That's funny. But time for 0 to 30. So yeah, this game is really exciting if you think about it. So the one I was talking about, the newer one, is like in the 2020. I think it's called Driving Simulator, Driving School 2020. I haven't had it in a while. I think I beat every single level, so that's why I just deleted it because I had nothing else to do with it. So I just like I didn't care at the point. Yeah. Right now I'm trying to follow the speed limit, so don't judge if you. Well, I'm gonna judge now. So I have no misses. That's how good I am. I feel like karma's gonna hit me so hard it's not even funny. Cause I feel like if I go over the 70 kilometers, which is 45 miles an hour, that it's like I'm done for. It's like what's the point? I'm trying later on today, probably, I don't know yet. I'm trying to film a Roblox video with Samuel if he's not busy. That's probably going to be on his channel. Not saying that proportionally, but probably is. And I did that on purpose. Yes, I did. I did those two on purpose. So though, don't question. I was trying to get out the car's way, but then that really shows how good and bad of a driver I am. And yes, I shift gears fast. Don't. In the game, I shift gears fast. In the I'm gonna just keep you through that. And then the games don't really. Yeah. I don't know why I keep pausing the video through the ad. I don't know what that's gonna do to me. What's my reputation that? But what I'm saying is I could go over 3,000 RPMs, but I can't go over the speed limit is what I'm saying. So right now, it's when I turn, it's probably gonna say 50 kilometers. No? Oh. So the newer one looks so new and improved. That's why I played this one more. I had like all the cars, well, not really all of them because it's like updates and stuff. Don't do this. No one do what I just did. Absolutely nobody do what I just did. That was like a reverse. That was like a reverse way of trying to kill somebody off of the corner, basically. So don't do that. So there's the older version of this game too. There's a new one. The older one, I played it, but it wasn't getting you nowhere. So I just deleted it. It's called Driving School Classics. If you wanna download that, you could. Your choice, not mine. This video is going really good so far. I thought this video would have been going like bad. It's not that bad. But I might call Samuel later, see if he's agreeing to do a Roblox video. I don't know. Y'all just might have to see it in the thumbnail or video title. You probably see it. But yes, we are gonna start playing like scary games and stuff. Me and Samuel usually on car games in Roblox, like Driving Empire if you haven't heard, Greenville if you haven't heard, stuff like that. Obbies, stuff like that. We've been on like that type of stuff. So if you always heard of those couple games, yeah, we played them. Mind you, this is my first video, so I don't even know if it's gonna go well or bad. I don't know. Somebody have to tell me if I'm doing good or bad or not. Almost 10 minutes. I should feel scared. I want them to make a newer version of Driving School Simulator. Because Overlex been killing it with these games. Like I think I have like 3 games from Overlex right now. Don't question those. I did those purposely. Yeah, I think I have like 3 games from Overlex. I believe so. 3 games. If I wanted to have like 7 games from Overlex, I would. But Overlex is a really good game creator. He created this game. He created Driving School Classics. He created the new one in 2020. It's a really good game.
This cash
Overall, I
bonus is
spent
100% true.
overall I spent like $5 probably on games on Overlex games. Like yeah, so this game is like sponsored by like Overlex and stuff. Well, not really sponsored, but Overlex and Roblox. Oh, not really like Overlex. The creator of Roblox, yeah. But what I'm saying here is these type of games. Oh, this is the exam already. Okay, so the what was I just about to say? I have absolutely no idea what I was about to say. Oh, full send. Oh, I can't. Never mind. Okay, so we need content. So we need for you to pick up with some good mobile games for right now. Mobile games for right now until I get my PC fixed. Until I get my PC fixed, mobile games. I'm trying to get the PC thing situated. So if it's not an issue, please, thank you. So, I am a really great driver in real life, but in games, like, I don't know if I just fail at everything, or it's just like the lagginess, lateness to the things. So I'm swerving left and right, it's late. So it's like late response. But in real life, it'll do it instantly. I am confused about that. Like, it's weird. Like, in the game, you have all the stuff that you need in a car. Like the lights and stuff. Horn. Turn signals, stuff like that. Normally how your car will operate. With the lagginess and the arcade-ish stuff that make driving games good, but in real life, not realistic enough. If you know what I'm saying. Like, realistic, but not realistic. I want it to be, like, realistic to the point where it's, like, my dream daily driver. You know what I'm saying? Oh, I thought I was turning left. So, yeah. So, can y'all please tell me personally or comment anywhere that like some good game ideas. I just need good content ideas and game ideas because I've been stuck playing like the same games for a while. I think after this world I might just end the video because I do one of these like when I feel bored and stuff. But now that I'm about to start school, it's gonna make a lot of stuff more worse. I just have to do a little full send just because I'm bored. Just because I'm bored. But we need content. If I wanted to start this video YouTube thing before school started, it would have been perfect. I would have come up with great ideas. My PC, dang it, my PC wouldn't have been destroyed. Stuff like that, yeah. Yeah, stuff. So, which is I'm just like zoning off because I'm trying to pay attention to the game. Oh, that full moon looks actually like really detailed. Like for no reason, it looks like so detailed. I'm gonna just floor it right in front of these cars. But this car is fast. I thought it was expected to be like a Kia V6 or something, but no, this thing is fast. I didn't realize it was that fast till like now. But yeah, once this thing ends, I will call that a video. After this, I gotta editing. For me, it probably take like 20 minutes, 30 minutes. I'll probably edit while I'm driving, but that doesn't matter. Editing in the car, whatever. But we're only like a decent amount in the video. I'm surprised it would have lasted a little bit. I thought it would have lasted a bit. So I didn't know this video was gonna be that decently long. I thought it would have been like some 5-10 minute introduction video. But no, this video was actually kinda long for the first video. I'm surprised. Oh, trust me, our Roblox videos and me and Sammy are gonna be like way longer. Well, shortened up a little bit. Because editing, we still have lives. Apparently we do. I think so. We have lives and stuff. Trying to focus on this turn without losing or speeding. Because speeding is the momentum things right now. Do I want to get notifications from YouTube right now at this very second? I know this dude got some fire content, but you gotta stop. I'm sorry, when I'm in a rush, my hands start to move around like crazy. Probably creating mess on the wheel. I lost? How? Too many mistakes. Okay. Probably in the next video we'll try to finish this up, but I'll probably create like a little short or something. But for this video is over. Peace.